Live from Atlanta, Georgia, from the Fox 5 studios, you're watching Good Day Atlanta.
February is National Heart Month. 80 million people are affected by heart disease each year. But what do the experts do to maintain their heart health? Joining us this morning, Dr. William Cooper, cardiovascular surgeon with Wellstar Kennestone and Emory University. Dr. Cooper, pleasure to have you here.
Good morning, Mark. Good
yes,
morning.
Indeed.
Good to see you.
Well, first of all, let's talk a little bit about what is important when it comes to being heart healthy. First of all, it starts with what you put in your body and how much you exercise.
Correct. I think it's important to understand that an overall wellness plan will actually benefit your heart. But you can't substitute. You have to think about exercising. You have to think about what you eat, using supplements responsibly, making absolutely sure that whatever you engage in, that you do it responsibly and continue to do it on a routine basis.
Okay, so consistency is the key
very
to heart
important,
health.
yes.
All right, let's talk about the big three now. Omega-3 fatty acids. How important are they?
I think they're extremely important in heart health. They've been shown to reduce the incidence of arrhythmias, the heart beating out of sync. They've also been shown to reduce the incidence of thrombosis or plaque rupturing. They've also been shown to reduce triglycerides. So they're very important, I think, as a supplement for overall wellness as well as heart health. Okay,
you talked about using supplements responsibly, but multivitamins, how important are they in our daily regimen?
I think they're very important. And remember, it's not an either-or situation. These are mainstream. 150 million people a year take some type of supplement for their health. Okay? And so I think it's important that if you do that, you remember that you can't substitute the supplement for eating healthy anyway, as well as exercising on a routine basis.
Okay, and fiber. We hear doctors talking about fiber all the time. Do we get enough in our daily diet?
No. Okay. In fact, we don't. Studies have shown that most Americans get about 10 to 15 grams a day. And depending upon the source, the National Academy of Sciences and the Institute of Medicine actually recommend for men over the age of 50 almost 40 grams of fiber a day. You can try to do that by eating vegetables and fruits, but the fact of the matter is most of us are not. And so a fiber supplement, I think, is very important in trying to help us get there.
Yeah, I just talked with you during the break about losing 12 to 15 pounds. I was honest. I said excuses are keeping me from losing that weight.
Yes, they are.
But you know what? That's many folks' problem.
That's exactly right. I think one of the ways on the Life Supplemented website to get started, there's a tool there called the My Wellness Scorecard. It takes about 5 minutes or so to do. But remember this, the most important thing and the precious thing that we have in our lives is time. 168 hours in a week. What we're asking for is 3 hours. Half an hour a day, 6 days a week. That's about the last time I checked, it was about 3.5% of your time. And so when you think about those excuses, I can't do it, don't have time, yeah, you do. It's 3% of your time to get there. Healthy diet, responsible use of the supplements, and exercise. You got to do all three.
All right, doctor, I'm going to get started today.
Great.
Today. All right. Thank you so much. Hey, you can find out more about living a healthy life by logging on to myfoxatlanta.com. We'll have a link to Life Supplemented under the Scene on TV section.